I had tried 4 other knee surgeons. I found out about him, set up an appointment. He got to my level, and his honest, frank conversation with me, I could see that there's a gentleness, even though he's an incredible surgeon, and that is what drew me back. I've been dealing with chronic pain for a really long time. It hurt to even walk a short distance without severe pain. I couldn't help clean the house. I'd have to sit down because the pain was excruciating. Dr. Ballard shared with me that if anybody needed knee replacements, I did. Dealing with Dr. Ballard and the staff, the nicest group of colleagues, of nurses, everybody has just been so kind and generous and helpful. Oh, incredible, like I got my life back. When I stood up and I told Dr. Ballard at one of the appointments post-op how good it was, I could tell it was strong, it was strengthened. My life now is way different. Walking the block. I had never walked the block in our neighborhood for 6 years, riding the stationary bike and no pain. I missed a trip for my niece last year due to the fact of it was in New York, and we all knew there'd be a lot of walking, and I wouldn't be able to do that. So it's just opened a whole new world. There is no doubt it has changed everything about my life. I've made dinner. I had not been able to stand long enough to make dinner or sweets for grandchildren or work. Anyone with any sort of knee issue, I would say to you, don't hesitate, do it. Because once you're on the other side of that, it truly changes your entire life.